What is going on, everyone? Cadence Customs here, and today I got my motorized bicycle. It's a 49cc two-stroke, and we're having misfires and backfire problems where you're riding down the road and it just backfires and then shuts off. If I can fix it, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it. So, for everyone that has this problem, check your stator because the bolt might come loose. And there's like black stuff from this all over. So, you just need to tighten up this bolt, and that should get that little better.